Ever wonder why you sneeze? Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out irritants like dust, pollen, or even pepper. When something gets trapped in your nose, nerve endings send a signal to your brain, and boom, it's time to sneeze. Your brain then launches a powerful reflex, blasting air out at nearly 100 miles per hour to protect your body. But here's a tip: don't hold your sneeze in. Holding in a sneeze can actually cause damage. It can lead to ear injuries, sinus problems, or even burst blood vessels. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out. Your body will thank you. Sneezing helps keep you healthy, so don't fight it. Credits: Mind Matrix Media.